Welcome to DelphStack. In this video, we'll show you how to completely remove Norton 360 from your computer. First, open your web browser and go to the official Norton support website. Search for the Norton 360 Remover tool. Make sure you are downloading it directly from the Norton website to ensure it's safe and up to date. When the download is complete, save the file to your desktop or another location that's easy to find. This will make it simple to access in the next step. Now, go to your desktop and look for the file named Norton 360 Remover. Double-click the icon to open it. If a security prompt appears, choose Yes to allow the tool to run. Once the program opens, you'll see an option to remove your Norton product. Click the Remove button to start the uninstallation process. When asked to confirm, click Uninstall. The tool will now remove all Norton 360 files and settings from your computer. This process might take a few minutes, depending on your system. After the uninstallation is complete, you'll see a message prompting you to restart your computer. Click Restart Now to finish the process. Restarting ensures that all Norton components are fully removed from your system. After your computer restarts, Norton 360 will be completely uninstalled. Thanks for watching.